Okay. This one, yep. About time it showed up. It's supposed to have been here Monday. There it is. All right, let's go upstairs. All right. Kind of opened it up when we were up in the elevator. As you can see, it's a half vent battery model. All right, cover. Oh, electromechanical. Kobayashi. I was wondering what it would have in it. There's no LED on there. Sensitivity adjustment. I'm wondering what type of horn it would have. Because I checked, most of them that I had in the 6,000 range were electromechanical battery models. Oh, there's the bracket. And something else. It's interesting because this one shows an LED there. And there isn't one on the battery models. There is one on the hardwire models. The 9-cord. Not one on here though, as you can see. Bottom's just blank. I think this is just a mirror of the other side. No, I guess this is the other side. And then if you want to read, just pause. This thing, it doesn't show a horn there in that illustration. There we go. Little illustrations. Bonk. more page. Again, it doesn't show the horn. Interesting. It does show the half inch, though. Pretty cool. Alright. I have the label off. So now you can see the horn there. Well, there you go. It beeped. We'll see. Okay. It's kind of interesting how it sounds. I think that thing's actually affecting the sound of it. And it beeped. Well, it's not a good battery anyway. And it's not a Duracell like it called for. So, yeah, it's cool though. Again, yeah, there's no LED or anything. Pretty cool though. I like it. Happy to finally have it. Whatever that was. Anyway, there you go, folks. Thanks for watching.